All right, today we're gonna wash the stairway and all the gutters on this house. Not the house itself, but she just wants all the gutters cleaned on the outsides. Did you see the back of the gutters? The back side of the house?
Unbelievable.
I know, isn't it? Unbelievable. Look at the difference in the stairs.
I know it. I know it. I'm giddy. That's brand new.
I know, doesn't it?
Oh my God. Unbelievable.
That's how it looks afterwards. Look how white the gutters are.
I know it.
It's amazing, isn't it?
They're brand new. They're absolutely great.
Another house we're gonna watch today. I'm just showing you guys how it looks beforehand. No, doesn't it?
That does look like that was really bad. This was the worst side, I think.
It was. Take a look at it now.
Oh, God, that's beautiful. Don't realize how bad it was.
Big difference, isn't it?
Yeah,
Just
let me
having a
take
wash.
the back, I can
You want to take a look at it?
look good in it. Oh God, it really is back. It really is right back here.
Looks brand new, doesn't it?